Cardiac tamponade is a pathology of heart in which heart compresses due to the accumulation of fluid in the pericardial sac. Pericardial sac is a sac formed by the outermost layer of the heart called pericardium. In this, the intrapericardial pressure, meaning the pressure in the pericardium or pericardial sac, raises above the limit from which cardiac tamponade occurs and heart compresses. Let's see it in the other form. It is the compression of heart due to accumulation of fluid like blood in the pericardial sac. So this is a very serious problem, and its confirmatory test is provided by echocardiography. Let's see it in the upcoming posts.